Hi, my name is Lori with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make an entire Thanksgiving meal. Now you can see my onions, mushrooms, celery, and garlic are done, and I'm going to go ahead and place them into my large mixing bowl. Just place them right on top right there. And now we're ready to add our mushroom stock. To do this, I'm going to do about half of the container of mushroom stock over the entire portion of the stuffing. And with my spoon, I'm just going to gently mix it all together. You want to be very gentle with your stuffing because the bread can start to break up as it gets wet, and you don't want your stuffing to be mushy. You want there to be distinct differences between all the different ingredients in your stuffing. And here I can see that I'm going to need a little bit more mushroom stock because my bread is not soaked all the way through. There's still a lot of hard pieces of bread. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the remainder of my mushroom stock. If you don't have mushroom stock, you can also use vegetable stock, which would work really well. And since this is vegetarian, we're going to avoid using chicken stock. Now, if you're not concerned with it being vegetarian, then you can go ahead and add chicken stock. And this looks really good. All the bread's nice and moist. Again, I'm being very careful not to break up the bread, but it still has its texture. This looks great.